Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to prepare momos at home. To prepare momos, we need to take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Into that, we need to take salt to taste. And first, we are going to mix salt to maida and mix it well. I'm mixing here maida and salt, dry flour. Now we are going to add water to it and mix it well like a soft dough. And we need to rest this dough for 30 minutes before we are doing the momos. Mix the dough very well and add the water at interval of time. To the prepared dough, we need to apply some oil to the dough and to the hands also. As it is soft, it may stick to our hands. And we need to knead dough very well like this, guys. We need to rest the dough for 30 minutes, and meanwhile we'll see the stuffing of the momos. We should take 2 big onions, finely chopped, 4 big sized potatoes, cut into half and boil. Boil the potatoes, take the skin off, and the potatoes should be cooked like this. Need to take ginger and garlic, finely chopped. Add 1.5 tablespoon oil to the frying pan and add ginger garlic chopped pieces and fry them very well till the ginger garlics turn into brown color. Now add onion into it and fry it very well, and add half tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix the mixture very well. The turmeric should mix into the onions very well like this, guys. Now we need to add salt as per the taste and mix it well. Pepper, half tablespoon of pepper and mix it well. Now we need to add cumin powder, 1 tablespoon, and mix it well. The cumin powder should mix well to the onion, and now we need to add chaat masala to it and mix it well. Mix it very well, and we need to add garam masala powder to it, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. If you want more spiciness, you can add chili powder also. We need to mix the onions very well, as all the spices are mixed together. Now we have to add the boiled potato into it. The onions must be cooked only for 70%, and then we have to add the potatoes. Don't cook it completely, you have to cook it for 90%, and then we have to steam it. If you want, you can also mash the potato and put it into it. I did not mash it. because I want that potato feeling. If you want, you can also put a lid onto it and then just cook it for 5 minutes. I'm just stirring it so that the potato also take that masala and all. Now this is the stuffing will be going into the momos. This will be the momo stuffing for us. If you want, you can also add some spring onions, chilies, coriander, etc. as for your taste and preferences. This is stuffing for the momos. Now we'll make the momos, and the dough must be very soft. If you don't want to have maida, you can also have wheat flour. Just give the dough a good stir. Just press it and just cut it into pieces. How the chapati or the momos must be. I want a size big momos, so I have that big round ball. Just dust the dough into the maida and then make it as a chapati, a round one. It must be not too thin or not too fat. It must be normal. If it is too thin, it may break underneath. If it is too fat, it may not cook properly. Make a good round dough. Now fill the chapati with the momo stuffing. And now carefully watch. You have to have that perfect, like we have to have that potally like things on the top. You must be very careful. If the top, if it is too much, you can also cut the top. The momo must be looking like this. These are the momos. Now just grease the idli pan. We are steaming the momos, we are not frying them, so we have to steam it. So I'm just greasing the oil. If you want, you can also have butter, ghee, anything. You have to have 1.5 cup of water and then put the idli stand with the momos and steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the momos will be looking like this. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.